Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel the square root. Next we have x, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Next we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. This one we have 2u. Next we need to change the bounds. When s equals to negative number 1, we put negative number 1 go in here, so 1 minus 1, you got number 0. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 go in here, so u equals to number 1. So negative number 1 we change for number 0. Number 0 we change for number 1. The square root we change for u. S we change for this one. ds we change for this one. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. U and u we have u square. Next this one multiply by this one. So we have the formula in here. So we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And I will put about c. Now we have the final answer. So I will put number 4 go in here. So we have 4 plus 1, we have number 5. This one we have number 5. Similar for the second one. And then I will put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 1 go in here and here. Number 0 go in here and here. So we calculate this one and we have negative 2022. This is the end. Thank you for watching.